Good evening, people. Before we can really go to questions involving sine rule, let me try to remind you about some of the important concepts with regard to this sine rule, so that you guys can be able to calculate whenever you come across questions which will be involving the sine rule. Okay, so we've got two laws here. We've got two laws. Okay, let me try to explain the first law of this sine rule. Let me use triangle ABC. Okay, the first law, it says that, or it states that, you'll be given two sides. Let me use this color. You'll be given two sides. Let me say the two sides will be this side here, AB, and AC. You are given these two sides, okay? And an angle that is opposite one of the given sides. So an angle, it can be this one here, this angle, given two sides, and an angle opposite one of the two given sides. Okay, so this is the angle that I'm talking about, and these are the two sides given. It means you can be able to use sine rule whenever you are given two sides and an angle opposite one of the two given sides. So you know that this will be small letter b, small letter a here, and small letter C. So it means that if ever they are saying you need to determine angle C, it means you can say small letter b divided by the sine of angle B, okay, equals to small letter C divided by the sine of angle C. Yes, you can be able to use sine rule whenever you're given these two sides and an angle opposite one of the two given sides. Okay, let's check this triangle number 2 here. Law number 2, it states that you'll be given two angles. You'll be given two angles. You'll be given two angles and one side opposite one of the two given angles. So it can be this side here, the DF. So it means that if ever you are given two angles and one side opposite one of the two angles, or opposite one of the two given angles, sorry for that, it means you can be able to use sine rule. So this will be small letter E, this will be small letter D, and this will be small letter F, and this will be angle F again. Yeah. So it means that if ever they are saying you need to determine the length of EF, it means you can say small letter E divided by the sine of angle E equals to small letter D divided by the sine of angle D. Right. So these are the two laws that you need to use every time with regard to the sine rule. The first law states that you'll be given two angles, two sides, and one angle which is the opposite of one of the two given sides. Number 2, it will be two angles and one side opposite one of the two given angles. So you can use the sine rule. Thank you very much, guys.